You have written extensively across various Islamic sciences, including hadith, fiqh, and Islamic finance. How has your deep engagement with tafsir shaped your understanding and approach to these other fields of Islamic scholarship?
In fact, I am originally my subject of my interest was the fiqh. And that is because I felt that fiqh is the cream of the Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, fiqh was my basic, the subject of my basic interest. But I always found that our basic book revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should be the most valuable thing, and the should be basic objective of our attention. Alhamdulillah, I translated the Holy Quran, firstly in English and then in Urdu. But I found that I have not yet reached the very spirit or essence of the meanings of the Quran.
Okay.
And I found that we need a tafsir for the common people that may convey the message, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kalam is such that no one can even translate it in a true sense, and it has guidance in each and every expression he has used in the Holy Quran. So I was thinking that I am not able to approach the basic concepts of the Holy Quran unless I study it more deeply and more closely. For that purpose, I started to give a dars of Quran, a lecture on Quran Kareem, and recorded it. During this effort, Alhamdulillah, some aspects of the Holy Quran were opened to me by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Still I am in search of a tafsir that can more deal with the deeper meanings of the Holy Quran, deeper instructions of the Holy Quran. A man cannot be perfect in explaining the Holy Quran, but one can try his best to reach the original message, and that is what I am engaged to do, and seek Allah's guidance that He may guide you and give the true lessons derived from the Holy Quran, from each and every word of the Holy Quran. So I am trying this, but it is an effort, a very humble effort. While there were big mufassirin who have passed their lives in studying the Holy Quran, one cannot reach even the beginning of their thought. But at least for the common people, I am trying, Alhamdulillah, to explain the meanings and the messages conveyed by the words of the Holy Quran in my tafsir.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, it is going on, and I have reached to Surah. I have just concluded Surah Yunus, and inshallah will start Surah Hud after I go back inshallah. And Surah An'am or Maida Maida and An'am up to An'am and Maida. 5 volumes have been published. Alhamdulillah.